Hello children, today we are going to continue with exercise 5 with the topic relationship between HCF and LCM. So this comes under chapter 4 and we know how to find HCF and how to find the LCM. So here we are going to see what is the relationship between these two. Okay, so for this they have given that product of two numbers are equal to the product of their HCF and LCM. Okay, so here what is this product of two numbers? That is, when two numbers are multiplied, you will get a product, no? That product is equal to their HCF and LCM. There means what? The two numbers. Okay, the two numbers HCF and LCM. If you multiply the HCF and LCM of these two numbers, that product will also be equal with this two numbers of product. So this is a relationship between the LCM and HCF. So using examples of two sums, we are going to see how this product of two numbers and product of their HCF and LCM is equal. So here I have written two numbers. Okay. If you see numbers, under I have written two numbers. The first number and second number. So here I have written HCF, LCM. So this HCF has 5. That means the HCF of this both the number 10 and 15 is there, no? This both numbers HCF is 5. Highest to common factor is 5. And what about the LCM of this 10 and 5? If you take LCM for this 10 and 5, you will get 30. Okay. So now, as of the relationship rule, it says product of two numbers is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. So first we are going to see product of two numbers. Product of two numbers means this is a two number, no? First number and second number. So this two number we are going to multiply. 10 into 15. So what you will get if you multiply? 150. 10 into 15 gives 150. So here next product of HCF and LCM. Product of HCF and LCM. You have this HCF value and LCM value, no? That we are going to multiply. 5 into 30. If you multiply, what you will get? This 0 I am giving as it is. 3 into 5, 15. So totally you will get after multiplying 150. So if you see here, the product of two given numbers value is 150. Also, the product of HCF and LCM is 150. So the rule is matching. So here I am going to show you another sum, 4 and 6. So this 4 is the first number and this 6 is the second number. So HCF of this both number is 2. LCM of this both 4 and 6 is 12. So what you will get after multiplying the product of two numbers? 4 into 6. If you multiply the both given number, what you will get? 24. 6 4s are is 24. So here product of HCF and LCM. The HCF value is 2. LCM value is 12. So 12 2s are is 24. So even here the product of two numbers is 24 and also the product of HCF and LCM is 24. So that both the values are same. That means the relationship between the two numbers and the products are HCF and LCM products are equal. Okay. So we'll just see another form of question based on this relationship between HCF and LCM. So here I have written a example sum with another model, that is first number, second number, HCF, LCM. So if you see, first number is 12. Second number is dash. So we are going to find the second number's value. And they have given you the HCF of this both number 4 and LCM of this both number is 48. So using the formula product of two numbers is equal to product of their HCF and LCM, we are going to find the value of the second number. Okay. So product of two numbers is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. So product of two numbers. What are the two numbers? One is 12. Another is product means multiply only we have to know. So that only we are going to give your multiplication symbol. Since we don't know the value of second number, I am going to take it as A. Okay. You can also use any alphabet, either X or B or Y. Anything you can use it. So here I am going to take A. Okay. So I am going to treat this A as a second number. So what is the product of their HCF and LCM? 4 is the HCF, 48 is the LCM. Okay. So since 12 into A, I can't able to multiply. I am going to keep this 12 into A as it is. So here I am going to multiply 4 into 48. So if you multiply 4 into 48, what you will get? 192. So 4 into 48 gives 192. That is 8 4s are is 32. 2 here, 3 is carry forward here, and 4 4s are is 16, and 16 plus 3 gives 19. Okay, so 192. So I have completed my multiplication here. So the product of their LCF and LCM is 192. So here I want to find the value of A. So I am going to keep this A as it is here, and I am going to move this 12. I am going to take this 12 to the opposite side. Okay. Since in middle I have equal to sign, if I move this 12 from left side to right side, my symbol of this 12 will change. That is, what relationship this 12 has with A? Multiplication. Can you please see here? Here I have the relationship between these two numbers is multiplication. When a number moves from left side to right side or right side to left side, its symbol will change. So here what is the symbol it has? Multiplication. Okay. Since it is moving from left side to right side, it will change to division. So that this A will remain as it is. This A will stay here itself. Okay. So what happens? This A remains here and this 12 will move there. So that A is equal to 192. This number will stay here itself. Additionally, this number will move from this side to that side. 192 divided by 12. How this division came? I told you no. When a particular number moves from one side to another opposite side, the sign will change. That is, if it is plus, it will change to minus. If it is minus, it will change to plus. If it is multiplication, it will change to division. If it is division, it will change to multiplication. Okay. So here 192 divided by 12. So 12 ones are is 12. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 you will get 7. So 2 is brought down here. So 12, 6 are 72. So that after dividing this 192 divided by 12, you will get 16. So the value of A is 16. That means what is this A? I told you no. The second number I am going to take it as A. So that second number is 16. So that we have found the second number 16. Understood? So like this you can able to find any number, maybe a first number or a HCF or LCM, using the relationship between the product of two numbers is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. You can find the value of first number or second number or HCF or LCM. Okay, thank you.